Now that you're familiar with Compass, it's time to create a new system and protection client. To do so, open Compass Commander. If you are logged into your IBM account, you will be able to access Compass Commander through single sign-on. From the Commander dashboard, click Systems. From the Systems tabs, click Plus to create a new system. Use the wizard to enter the host name, select a platform, and assign a protection class. Click Continue. From the Systems Detail page, click Save Changes. You can scroll through the Systems Detail page to view the configuration of the new system. Return to the top of the Systems Detail page and click Download Installer. From the Download Installer box, select the appropriate vault from the list and then click the installer to download it. You will now copy the downloaded client agent installer onto the target AIX server. Then you log onto the AIX server to install the backup agent. Assuming the DNS server has not been configured by your team, you will first add the host file entries that were listed earlier in the DNS details to the system's etc hosts file. Alternatively, these entries can be added to the DNS server by your team. When using the host file for name resolution, the net services config file must be configured on AIX to resolve host names using the host file first and DNS second. You can now run the installer. After the install is complete, you are ready to run a backup. In this example, you'll start an incremental backup of the etc host file that you updated earlier. After a successful backup and restore to an alternate location, you can view the restored file and verify that the restored file matches the file that was backed up. You are now ready to add additional backups as necessary. Go to cobaltiron.com or log into Commander and visit the Compass knowledge base for more information.